All right, welcome back. So this next segment that we're going to talk about is covering user views. And you may not have necessarily heard that term before, but certainly something that we've used and looked at before. And so when we refer to a user view, all we're essentially talking about is just returning a subset of data from our database. So whenever we do a query by example or a straight SQL select statement, and we return only a specific set of data from within our database, that is essentially a user view. And so, with the SQL language, it looks like the form of a select statement where we have the from and where clause, right? Or in Access, we're using the QBE. We can, create essentially a query through the design view or however we want to do it. But that's all we mean when we refer to a user view, is we're just kind of returning certain data from our database. For example, if I open up Access here, I can, kind of come up here and create a query design. And I'll just grab the professors table. Sure, we'll grab last name, first name, and then the department, and we'll sort it by alphabetically by professor's last name, and then we'll just say any professors in the computer science department. And we run that, and that's it. That is exactly what we mean when we refer to a user view. That's essentially all it is we're just getting specific data for whatever purpose we need it for. But this right here, what you're seeing, is essentially a user view. Again, we've done queries many times before by now, so that's all we're talking about. If I switch this view to SQL, there it is, we can see the select statement right there, right? Select with the from and where clause, and then of course I have it sorted, so we have our order by there clause as well. But that is our user view. That's all we mean. So pretty basic, yeah. There's the professor table. The text kind of walks you through an example of adding in a new field, or I guess two new fields to the table. So you can do that as you're going through it. But essentially, when we run our query and we retrieve specific information, that is essentially our user view. So pretty basic, pretty straightforward. But I hope you guys have found this beneficial, and we'll see you next time.